Red tide warning. Do not eat shellfish. The public have been warned against consuming shellfish from Kota Kinabalu and Tuaran waters, after a red tide was detected near Sepanggar Island on Friday. Sabah Department of Fisheries Director Azhar Kassim said their Biosecurity Department found the pyrodinium bahamense and margalefidinium polykrikoides cells in 1 litre of samples to exceed dangerous levels. The cells spread fast and have reached Sutera Harbour and the Jesselton Jetty waters, Likas Bay, and Gaya Islands, with the highest readings being near the Sabah International Convention Centre, he said when contacted. We expected the phenomenon to last up to a week, but it can take longer. Azhar said more than 2,000 margalefidinium polykrikoides cells in a litre poses danger to fish by latching onto their gills and suffocating them. But they are harmless to humans, although ocean farms might bear the cost. It's the pyrodinium bahamense that is dangerous when it exceeds 800 cells per litre, he said. They can live inside shellfish and cause severe food poisoning. Symptoms include headaches, nausea and excruciating stomach pain. Those who have ingested shellfish and are experiencing these symptoms are advised to seek immediate medical attention. We strongly advise against consuming shellfish for the time being unless they are harvested outside the affected districts and have not been kept in their waters, he said, adding that the department will continue to monitor the situation.